Lakewood Ranch is known for golf, and this home has it all. You can have golf right in your backyard if you join the premier Lakewood Ranch Country Club. And in addition to that, you have this fantastic backyard with a pool overlooking water. So if you're looking for the place to be for golf, this is the home for you. One of my favorite features of this home is the pool area. You know, you've got some really nice covered space where you can entertain and an outdoor kitchen. And then also that pool is pretty expansive and it overlooks the water, which is so nice to sit outside and enjoy on those wonderful Florida days. This home has 4 beds and 3 bathrooms and a den, and the reason why I love it is because you can entertain family and friends and really have that divided floor plan. You've got a primary on the first floor with an office, and then you've got those additional bedrooms on the side. So when your friends and family come to visit, you can have all the privacy you want. If you have any questions about this property, you can find my contact details below, and I'll see you on the next one.